Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add bank account on Remitly. So firstly, open up Remitly and then log into your account. So you need to be logged in to do this. So if you don't have an account, create one and then log in. So once you're on your account here, simply click on your account on your top right here, click on your name and then head over to settings. So click on settings. So when you get to settings here, when the settings page loads, on your left side menu here you will see payment method. So click on payment method. So simply click on the payment method and then under payment methods you will see an option called add new payment method. Click on add new payment method. So when you get to this page here, if you want to add a bank account, select bank account and then now here provide the details of the bank account, the account number, name, all those information. So just plug those information in and then the billing address associated and then hit on save. So when you hit on save, this bank account will be added to your Remitly account. So that's how you add bank account on Remitly. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.